What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to replace the key fob battery in a 2020 Hyundai Palisade.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. Now there's a sliding switch right here that we're going to slide to the right, and then we can pull the key out of the bottom of the remote, okay? They can be kind of sticky and stuck sometimes, like this one hasn't been pulled out in quite a while, so it's a little stuck, okay? So we'll do that again. All right. Now if we look right here at the bottom corner of the remote, hopefully that shows up, there's a little slot that is, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to pry this remote open, okay? I'm going to stick it here kind of sideways, and I'm going to pry this guy open like that. Hopefully you can see that good. I'll go and close it back up so maybe you can see it. Like, it's right below the opening for the emergency key, okay? And I'm not going directly at it with the screwdriver. That's just going to kind of tear it up. I'm using like the long side of this flathead screwdriver to open this guy up. And once we get it off, we just slide the battery up and out. Okay, and we'll get a new battery and I'll show you what size it is. All right, so the new battery size is going to be a CR2032. All right, and notice how it has the positive sign here. That's facing towards us. You can see there's a positive sign here. We just slide this guy in all the way. Now if you need one of these batteries, check the description box. There's going to be a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a new battery if you need one. But we just get the back cover, slide it right on, click it right on, and that's basically it. Put the emergency key back in and we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.